name is Lionel. I'm from Lu class, and today I'm gonna represent the video about close encounter video. So in the video, on Saturday, Helen, Jane, David, and Matt are doing house chores because Jane's sister will visit them. Jane is cleaning the table and Helen is washing the dishes. Meanwhile, David and Matt are tidying up the living room. Suddenly, the phone rings and David answered, but he can't hear clearly because the vacuum too low. So Matt asks David to turn off the vacuum, and then it's actually Jane's sister Jane's sister is coming to the station 2.5 hours early, but Jane can't pick up Jane's sister because she has a yoga class. So Jane asks Matt to pick up Allison at the station, and then Matt asks us what does Jane's sister Allison looks like, and then Jane says that Allison wears a green coat and a black sweater. Also, she has a long dark brown hair. And then Matt promises that he will come to the Rose Cafe at 15 minutes. But on the way to the cafe, he suddenly get a flat tire. He tries to fix it, but he can't, and it's really take a long time. And finally, Matt arrives at the station, but he sees a woman that looks like Allison. Then Allison comes and says that there is a misunderstanding. Matt realizes he makes a mistake, and then Allison apologizes to the woman. On the way to the home, Allison sees that Matt brings a big bag, and it's not her bag. And then Matt realizes he makes a mistake again. But the woman already calls the police. And at the home, Helen, Jane, and David are still waiting at the home. And after evening, Allison and Matt arrives in the evening after have a conversation with the police, and he talks about what happened in the cafe. I think that's all about my present. Thank you. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Alright, yeah. Get only small mistake, mostly for the third person. Right. Now the question time. Yeah. Okay, Lionel. Let's say if you were in Jane's position, what will you do? Which one will you choose? Pick up the sister or the class, the yoga class?
If I was a Jane, I will pick up my sister first.
Why?
Then doing a yoga class.
Okay.
Then doing my activity.
Why? Why do you think that Jane prefer the yoga class rather than picking up the sister?
Because I think if Jane picks Allison's or Jane's sister, I think
Is the sister not really important or what?
it's Jane's sister or me. It's Jane or me. Or Jane. Or from Jane.
Yeah. Why do you think that Jane prefer the yoga class rather than picking up the sister?
Maybe he was annoying of the sister, or maybe he think yoga class is more important thing for him.
Okay. And also, what do you think about Allison? Because Allison actually supposed to come at 2, but suddenly she comes at 12. What do you think of her? What do you think of that kind of people?
About
the one that suddenly change the schedule, the one that suddenly change the promise. What do you think?
About Jane's sister.
Yeah, about Jane's sister. Because he already called, right? And told them also, okay, I will come at 2. And then suddenly change.
I think, I think about Jane's sister. I think.
Was that okay to change the last minute?
It's not. For me, it's not okay. It's annoying because Jane's sister suddenly arrived at the station 2.5 hours early and not says to them.
So, in your opinion,
It's
whose
annoying.
mistake is that?
Jane's sister.
Jane's sister, yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. No, what a great. Okay, the next one. This is the case that happened to Matt. Let's say if suddenly your car is broken or whatever, will you also get angry like Matt?
Maybe I will angry.
Okay, you'll be angry.
Yeah,
okay.
because on the way to the cafe, suddenly get a flat tire, and there is no mechanic or
workshop, yeah. Workshop.
And then I must walk to the cafe again, and then I must walk to the home again.
Okay. And what should Matt do in order to make sure he will arrive to the cafe on time and without any problem?
I think Matt should check the vehicle first when when he want to the cafe. On the cafe.
He wants to go to the cafe.
Cafe.
Cafe. Right. Okay. The next one again. You know, right? Jen actually already told the appearance of Allison, but turned out Matt still hard to find her. So, in your opinion, what should Matt do to make sure he will not greet the wrong person?
I think Matt should have a photo of suit. I think Matt should have Jane's sister photo or her number phone. So he don't misunderstanding a person.
But let's say in that case, we totally at the time, at the time I think the era of the photo one not really that one, Still, even the phone also, not every phone has the camera. So what should they do?
Matt should ask us if the stranger is Jane's sister.
Okay, so in your opinion, it means Matt should
ask
first,
ask first.
Yeah, not only like, okay, that likely. Okay. And mistake that Matt by researchers, he brings the wrong bag. So from that thing, what can you conclude about Matt's, we call it, personality? Thank you. What do you think? The first one, he took the wrong person. Second one, he took the wrong bag. So
he was
he was what?
uh,
Three mistakes actually, right? There were three mistakes that Matt already made.
How do you say it in Indonesia?
trouble.
What's that?
What is it in English? I know you know. Somebody don't know it, right?
Careless.
Careless. Okay.
Matt was a careless person.
Do you have any suggestion for those who are careless, like Matt, for example?
Oh, to fix his personality.
Yeah.
To fix his personality by maybe more careful.
Be more careful.
Yeah, be more careful.
Yeah, like what? Be more careful like what?
Check the vehicle first.
Okay, if you want to go, yeah. Okay. That one in terms of driving the car. And then the other one?
Ask someone first
Yeah,
before
confirm first, yeah.
confirm first.
Okay, and then
And then
in terms of the back?
on the back, maybe
Ask again, right?
ask again.
Yeah, to make sure you can show it. Is it your bag or no? Right. And is it necessary for the woman to call the police? Do you think?
My personal thing, it's necessarily because Matt takes my bag
Yeah.
to his home maybe.
Okay.
Someone stranger take my bag.
Oh, okay. So you tipu kan ya?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Then you ask me now.
My first question is why does
Why
Jane ask Matt to pick up Ellison?
Based on the video, it is because Matt doesn't want to clean up and he is kinda lazy, so that's why he prefers to pick up Edison rather than staying in there and then cleaning.
Okay, thanks. And second,
The hard question.
what time does Ellison supposed to arrive at the station?
If I'm not mistaken, I think Ellison supposed to come at 2, right?
So,
At 2 or no? I forgot. I think at 2, around 2.
Yeah.
And then?
and third question is what does
What does
Matt do in the home?
At home.
At home, yeah.
Oh, at the beginning, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, at the beginning of the video, Matt is vacuuming the floor together with David, cleaning up,
Okay,
cleaning
thanks.
up the house. 2 again.
2 again.
2 again. Oh, so common. Can we about my opinion is okay.
Okay. What do you think about Matt gets a flat tire?
Oh, the good flat tire, yeah. Like this, yeah. In my opinion, someone who likes to punch, someone who like to what we call it, yeah, like release the anger to things is not good. So that's why somehow I don't like it. So I can say that Matt has a more what we call it? Has anger, bad temper. Okay. The last one, done, yeah? Okay, done. Okay, the last question from me then. So, what are the why suddenly my mind blank? What are the moral lessons that you can take from the video?
The moral lesson in the video,
Uh-huh.
we must confirm the identity
Yes.
of a person we never met before,
Good. Only that.
and we must check the vehicle
Mhm.
first before go to somewhere.
Okay. I think.
I think that's all. Thank you.